Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel All Is Well. In today's video, we will talk about top 3 essential tips for a strong start to fitness. In this video, you'll get the inside scoop on the top 3 essential tips for a strong start to your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to switch up your routine, these tips will help you reach your goals and feel your best. So grab a water bottle, hit play, and let's get started. Establish a consistent routine. Set aside a specific time each day or each week for exercise. Make it a priority and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Consistency is key to seeing improvements in fitness. Try to exercise at the same time each day to form a habit. Remember that it's okay to miss a day or two, just make sure to get back on track as soon as possible. If you have trouble sticking to a routine, try finding a workout partner or signing up for fitness classes. Focus on whole body exercises. Choose exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These exercises can help you get more out of your workout in less time. They also improve functional fitness, helping you perform everyday activities with ease. Whole body exercises can also boost your metabolism and burn more calories, leading to overall health and weight loss. Incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week for maximum benefits. Make sure to warm up properly and use proper form to avoid injury. Gradually increase intensity. By starting with low-intensity exercises and gradually increasing difficulty, you can reduce the risk of injury, build endurance, and improve your fitness levels over time in a sustainable way. Start with low-intensity exercises. Gradually increase difficulty over time. This can help prevent injury. Builds endurance. Improves fitness levels. Allows for a sustainable progress. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It will motivate us to come up with even more interesting and useful content in future.